Why would the Church command Catholics to attend Mass for the Ascension? Why make it a holy day of obligation? After all, Jesus had already risen from the dead. The tomb was already empty. Sin had already been defeated. So why is the Ascension treated as such a major feast? Why does the Church insist that Catholics stop, gather, and celebrate this moment? The answer is far deeper than many realize. Because the Ascension is not simply the story of Jesus leaving Earth. It is the moment heaven was opened to humanity. And if we fail to understand the Ascension, we fail to understand where Christ is now, what he is doing for us, and what our ultimate destiny is meant to be. Welcome to the Catholic Way TV. Today we are uncovering one of the most overlooked mysteries of the Christian faith, why the Ascension is a holy day, and why the Church considers it too important for Catholics to ignore. Many Catholics think of the Ascension as Jesus' departure, almost like his final goodbye. 40 days after the resurrection, he rises into the clouds and disappears. End of story. But that is not what happened. The Ascension was not Christ stepping away from his mission. It was Christ entering its next and glorious phase. This was not absence. This was enthronement. When Jesus ascended into heaven, he was not retreating. He was taking his seat at the right hand of the Father. And in biblical language, that means authority, kingship, glory, victory. The Ascension is the public declaration that the crucified and risen Christ now reigns over heaven and earth. This is why it matters. Because this feast celebrates not Christ's departure, but his coronation. The resurrection and the Ascension cannot be separated. The resurrection reveals Christ's victory over death. The Ascension reveals where that victory leads. Think about it. If Christ rose from the dead but remained on earth indefinitely, the story would remain unfinished. The Ascension completes the movement of salvation. Christ descended into our humanity. He suffered our weakness. He conquered death. And then he ascended, bringing glorified human nature into heaven itself. This is one of the most breathtaking truths of the Christian faith. Jesus did not ascend as pure spirit. He ascended bodily, meaning our humanity is now present in heaven. For the first time in history, human flesh entered the glory of God. And that changes everything. This is why the Church celebrates the Ascension so solemnly. Because Christ did not ascend for himself. He ascended for us. He went before us as our head. Where the head goes, the body is called to follow. This is the promise hidden within the feast. The Ascension is not simply about where Jesus is. It is about where we are meant to be. This world is not our final home. Heaven is. And the Ascension is Christ's declaration that the path is now open. That is why this feast fills the Church with hope. It reminds every Catholic that our destiny is not earthbound. We are made for heaven. Many people ask, if Jesus ascended, what is he doing now? Scripture gives a beautiful answer. He is interceding for us. He is reigning as king. He is preparing a place for his people. He is sending grace to his Church. The Ascension marks the beginning of Christ's heavenly priesthood. He stands before the Father as our eternal high priest. At every Mass, heaven and earth meet because the risen Christ continually presents his once-for-all sacrifice before the Father. This means the Ascension is not ancient history. It is a present reality. Christ's work continues right now. And every Catholic participates in that heavenly reality through the Mass. So why does the Church oblige Catholics to attend Mass for this feast? Because some mysteries are too important to be treated casually. The Church does not create holy days to burden us. She establishes them to awaken us, to pull us out of ordinary routines, to remind us of truths too glorious to forget. And the Ascension is one of those truths. It proclaims, Christ reigns. Heaven is open. Our humanity has been glorified. Our destiny is eternal communion with God. How could the Church treat such a mystery as optional? She cannot. Because this feast is not merely something to remember. It is something to enter. Something to celebrate. Something to worship. Perhaps that is why so many Catholics overlook the Ascension. It feels quiet. No empty tomb. No tongues of fire. No dramatic crucifixion. Just Christ rising into heaven. And yet, hidden within that quiet mystery, is one of the greatest declarations ever made. Humanity now has a place in heaven. Christ has gone before us. And one day, if we remain faithful, we will follow. So the next time Ascension Mass approaches, do not see it as merely another obligation. See it for what it truly is, an invitation. An invitation to lift your eyes above this passing world. An invitation to remember your true home. An invitation to worship the risen King who has gone before you. Before today, did you fully understand why the Ascension is a holy day? What part of this mystery speaks most deeply to your heart? Let us know in the comments. And if this reflection deepened your faith, subscribe to the Catholic Way TV for more understanding of the beauty of Catholic worship.
Sanctus, 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 Domino.